Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and it's time for the collage assignments by Margarete Miller, and we are on week 51. Wow, one more week to go. So, second last one, and the prompts are something underlined in red, a forum or a portion of a forum, a stitching pattern either sewn, drawn or stamped, a portion of a postcard either side, and washi tape. So the bonus is something that sits on a table. So I have my little bundle here. So something underlined in red. I have this original piece of what looks like from someone's accounts, and it's got this underlined in red. A forum or a portion of a forum. I have this. This isn't original. This is a copy that came in a little pack of papers. So it's a forum, a report of chemical analysis. So I have that. A stitching pattern, sewn, drawn or stamped, and I'm going to draw a stitching pattern with my pen at the end. A portion of a postcard. I have this postcard of a Highland coo. A postcard. And washi tape, I have this washi tape. So I'm not going to do the bonus. So let's see what we're going to do with this. We'll just clip these open. And right away, I'm just going to leave that like that and get them stuck down. Just using my glue stick. Let's put that here. And we'll just use these as some background. There we are. So that's us properly in the lead up to Christmas. Less than 2 weeks to go. Our turkey's been bought. We're having turkey, and we've also bought a ham joint as well. So I think there'll be either a little bit of each or a choice to be made. Okay, let's think about what we're going to do with this rather big postcard. What could we do with it? Well, I've got my punch here, and I'm going to punch out the head, but my punch doesn't reach, so I'll need to get a little bit off the side. Oops. I think off this side, so we'll just take it as close to the horns as we can for the moment. Yep, that will be fine. I don't think we're going to get all these magnificent horns in, or her. I don't know. Do lady Highland cows have horns? Or is it just boy Highland cows that have horns? I don't know. Anyway, I think we'll call him a girl. She. I think we'll call him a girl because I'll show you why. I'm going to add, and I've got them here. This is where my stitching's going to come in. I'm going to just put them on, or put her on a daisy? Because is she Daisy Cow? I'm hoping I should have googled that. I should have googled, do female Highland cows have horns? I don't know. Do you know, all the ones I've seen have horns, and there must be some girlies amongst them. I'm going to add a second one just to make it nice. There. And I've got a little thing in for the centre, a little acrylic dot for the centre of that one to finish off. But we'll get these stuck down because I've still to add my washi tape. So let's just get a little bit of glue. Don't want to cover up the red altogether. So I just watched the Formula 1 racing. Well, I only watched the very end of it there. I didn't watch the whole thing. Tabby said it was quite exciting, so I thought I'll go through and I'll watch a little bit of it. And then there was a crash, and thankfully the person's all right, but then it meant the safety car had to come on, and then it just didn't seem fair that Lewis Hamilton was in the lead. And then they start afresh again. I don't know how that can be right, but anyway, that's what happened. Right. Let's get some washi on it. Right, I finished off. I had left 2 petals to do, but yes, I did it. I must have been blethering, not really thinking about it. So, we'll get a bit of that there, and another piece. There. Nope, that's enough. Okay, I think that's us done. So we've got something underlined in red, so that's underlined under there. A forum is in the background, stitching drawn, and I've drawn it round the petals of the daisies. A portion of a postcard, well, that's my postcard. Poor Daisy's been beheaded. Washi tape. So that's the second last one done, number 51, and we do one more. So thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.